A mini dental implant is an amazing advancement in dentistry because traditional implants require us to, and I've been involved with dental implants since 1989, the traditional and standard implants mean that we place the implant, then we have to wait 3 months before placing the crown on it. It puts the standard implant at risk of failure. While the mini implant, because it's the way it is and the way it's placed, it allows us to place crowns and bridges and stabilized dentures on them immediately. So that's a tremendous advantage of mini implants. And of course, we're here to help you, and we help it in a very good way for everyone. Our mini implants are, first of all, half the cost of conventional implants, and we will do a free consultation and free 3D x-ray for you to help determine what you need and how much it's going to cost at no charge to you.